Hey guys, how's it going? It's Money Menu with HTX TV coming at you. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Um, Going over another, it is Tuesday, it's in the afternoon. I'm in the Houston, Texas area. It's nice and cool out here today, so we're going to go over some stimulus information, get the opinions of the Joe Biden, see what he says. It looks like they're commenting online about that, and do the normal stock roll and cryptocurrency update. So let's get it going. And appreciate all you new subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Definitely don't forget to smash that like button to help out the YouTube algorithm. Let's go. It says here, prior to the election, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and President Donald Trump are both in agreement to send another $1,200 stimulus check to the Americas. But the plan was held up as the two sides debated the other. Obviously, we've been seeing for months they've been debating back and forth. Senate says this, House says this. Everybody's just all over the place. It says the House Democrats stood firm at $2.2 trillion, while the White House final offer was $1.9 trillion. So looks like they went up another $0.1 trillion. It says, but Joe Biden says he would definitely, in his opinion, he would change the dynamics of the negotiations now that the Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell has taken the reign for Republicans in stimulus negotiations. And unlike Trump, McConnell doesn't believe the economy needs another multi-trillion aid package nor more stimulus checks. The Kentucky senator reiterated the assessment last week after the unemployment rate dropped to 6.9% in October, down from its 14% in April. So, alrighty. So it seems like basically they're going back and forth. I believe Georgia, they're still counting votes in Georgia, and I think a few other places as well, Pennsylvania. I'm not exactly sure on that, but I did hear that they had some things going on in Georgia, and they're recounting the votes, making sure they're stamped and dotted and all that good stuff. So that is still in the works, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully these guys can get the ball rolling here soon. It'd be nice. It'd be definitely nice. I'm pretty sure the American people would appreciate that. So yeah, but it looks like they're closing in on closer to 1.9 trillion, between 2.2 trillion. So maybe they kind of could meet in the middle. Hopefully, right here we're on the November 17th, 2020. So maybe hopefully they get something shortly after Thanksgiving. I believe Thanksgiving is in like a week or so. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Let me see if let's check into some stock information. All right. So our stock market currently today, it actually yesterday it was all in the green, so it looks like it kind of like went the other way today. So the Dow is at the negative 0.56% decrease. It's traded right now over 29,700. The Nasdaq is at a negative 0.21% decrease as well. Not too bad, less than 1%, but it still is a decrease, and traded at $11,899. And that's a minus $24 decrease. The S&P 500 is at a negative 0.48% decrease as well, traded now at $3,600 and minus $17 on the day. So going past that, check out our popular stocks. Apple Incorporated is traded at $119. So right now it's at a minus 0.77%, still in the red, but not more than 1%, so not too bad. Just kind of lingering there, closer to even. Citigroup Incorporated is traded at $50.63, and that's actually in the green at a plus 0.6% in the green, which is good. General Electric is traded at $9.69, and that's at a 1.2% increase in the green. Looking good there. Alphabet Incorporated right now is traded at $1,700.63, and that's at a negative 0.75% decrease in the red. Little down, no big deal. Maybe you could throw a little money and let it roll. So, Microsoft Corporation, last but not least, popular stock, is at $214 traded, and right now is at a negative 1.37% decrease. So I guess at the end of the day, people need their software. They're still doing stuff, and slight decrease, not too shabby. Yeah, negative 1.3. Alrighty, and moving on, let's get to our gainers and losers for the day. Our first gainer is SL Green Realty Corporation. It's a 6% increase. It's pretty good. So you traders out there over 5%, looks like a green light to me. So, and again, guys, before I go any further, this video is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Anything you do outside of this is definitely you're on your own. So, all right. And next gainer for the day is Ralph Lauren Corporation. They're at a plus 6% increase in the green. Frontier Corporation is at a plus 5.2% increase. Devon Energy Corporation's at a 4.6 increase. Pretty good. So Devon Energy Corp. Actually, I haven't seen any energy companies jumping up recently. So hey, that could be a good trading opportunity for you traders out there. And it is approaching the 5% mark. And PVH Corporation is at a 4.5% increase in the green, going good. So, alrighty, let's see here. Now it's time to get to my losers for the day, and they're not too bad. The worst is negative 4%, a little over 4%, and then the most is negative 8%. That's pretty bad. So, all right. CVS Health Corporation is at a negative 8.6% decrease. So, actually, that could be a good buying opportunity because, like they're saying, we're heading to the dark winter. More CV-19 cases could go up. Maybe more people might need to purchase things at the local drugstore. So, CVS Health Corporation, you never know, could weigh those out. So, next loser for the day is the Boston Scientific Corporation. That's at a negative 7.8% decrease. And then next one is Cardinal Health Incorporated, negative 6.8% decrease. And next loser for the day is McKesson Corporation. That's at a negative 5.46% decrease. And last but not least, loser for the day is Amarin Corporation, a negative 4.4% decrease in the red. So not too shabby. And the euro is still at $1.19 compared to the U.S. dollar. British pound is at $1.32 compared to the U.S. dollar. And the Canadian dollar is at 76 cents compared to the U.S. dollar. It's been sticking at there for a while. So let's check out some commodities, and then we'll head on to our cryptocurrency info. All right, oil right now is at $41.47 a barrel, and that's at a plus 0.1% increase, so that's good. Gas is at a $2.69. That's a negative 0.15% decrease. Gold right now is at $1,880, and that's a negative 0.24% in the red. Silver right now is $24.58. That's a negative 0.31% decrease in the red. Corn right now is at $425, and it's at a negative 0.23 in the red. So not too shabby on that. So alrighty. Alright guys, and now for your cryptocurrency updates. I'm gonna go through all the smaller coins, and then at the very end go into Bitcoin, because we all know Bitcoin right now is just blowing it up. So definitely increasing. And let's see here. So Ethereum right now is at $479 and a plus 4.4% increase in the green. That's within the last 20 minutes or so. So it's pretty current. Ripple right now is priced at actually Ripple went up. It's at 29 cents, and that's a plus 5.79% increase. Chainlink, a lot of people have been talking about Chainlink. I haven't actually looked too much into it, but it kind of seems like it does what the other coins do. I got to look into Chainlink because I hadn't really seen a whole lot about it, but right now it's at $13.13, and that's a plus 4.7 increase. So that is definitely blowing up. And alrighty, now getting to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now it's over $17,584, and that's a 5.7% increase in the red. And for that biggest cryptocurrency, for that to be going over 5%, that's, man, that's doing really well. And like the other day I was saying, I was looking at those charts, and they were one of the charts went straight up within 24 hours. So let's see what the analysts have to say, if there's anything other than it's going to be going up in the next next 6 to 8 months, next couple of years. Yeah. Saying here, Bitcoin blast by 17,500K, but not all agree the rally is sustainable. Bitcoin analysts give 4 reasons why Bitcoin price will hit 22,000, next, let's see how it says Bitcoin price is on track to achieve 22,000, says one analyst, citing 4 main factors that could boost its momentum. And I believe it does have a lot to do with momentum. It could be current events. The elections going on, people are counting votes. Maybe the pandemic with people not using as much currency. There was a coin shortage recently. That could all have affected everything. But now it looks like if there is a lot of momentum, they're saying, looking like the next easily couple within the next month and a half, they're saying it could be hitting over 20 grand, 22,000. Here it says Philip Swift. One second. Gonna have some water. All right. Philip Swift, a Bitcoin analyst and the creator of Looking into Bitcoin.com, laid out 4 reasons why Bitcoin is headed to 22,000. Both fundamental and technical factors indicate the top cryptocurrency's momentum is strengthening. The 1-year HODL percentage, the decline of Bitcoin exchange reserves, neutral fundraising rates, and institutional accumulation point toward a prolonged Bitcoin rally, Swift wrote. Yeah, and pretty much here, man, if you look at that chart I'm seeing, it is basically just going, it's like a roller coaster just that keeps going up. Here it says, since the start of the fourth quarter on October 1st, the price of Bitcoin rose from 10,700 to over 16,700 on Binance. Which, wow. So the Bitcoin space refers to longtime Bitcoin holders as hodlers. And they were also saying that a lot of people are just holding on to it. People aren't selling. That could also either alter, it could also create the momentum as well, and maybe keep it. Maybe it makes it more valuable if people hold on to it. Bitcoin, since March crash, the 1-year hodl wave rose over 59% to over 62%. It is now at an all-time high, signifying a clear assimilation trend. So at the end of the day, it doesn't look like it's going down anytime soon. It is definitely holding. So EOS, and before I go, EOS is at $2.69. That's a plus 4.7 increase. So yeah, right now is definitely the time. Check out those trading platforms. Binance, Bittrex, even for stocks as well. Sorry to go back to the stocks, but Robinhood as well. Check out those for the vaccine stocks. Don't forget about those. Pfizer and Moderna are both in the works for the vaccines, so definitely want to put some 2 cents into that one. So, but yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I really appreciate you guys with everything, all the support in the channel. Definitely don't forget, before I go, smash that like button to help out the YouTube algorithm, and we will check you guys later. Y'all have a good one. It's Money Manny with HTX TV, and I'm out.